What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Aaron 2Wavy back at again with another How to Get Waves video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get waves for a beginner. Things you'll need, the steps you need to take so you can get started on your wave journey. Make sure you stay tuned and watch the whole video. So a couple things you need to understand before you start 360 waves is your progress is not going to show automatically. It's going to take you a week, maybe it take you 2 weeks, maybe it take 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, depending on your hair texture and how much time you brush, Anytime you're not doing anything, you need to be brushing. You need to brush in the morning and you need to brush in the afternoon before you go to bed. Always brush. It's going to take hard work and dedication, This waving stuff is not for the weak. People are going to talk about your waves. They're going to say they're fake, they're going to say they're trash, but you got to keep brushing. That's the thing. To always keep a brush in your hand and to always use it. So when you first get your haircut, to start your waves, when you got coarse hair, you're going to want to get a 1 guard. When you got medium hair, a 2 guard, straight hair, 3 guard. Second haircut, you want to get a 1.5 or a 2.5 or a 3.5. You're going to want to start yourself off with a soft brush, since your scalp is really sensitive when you first cut your hair, so you want to go and get a soft brush. I'll link this brush down in the description. And then you want to get yourself a pomade. I recommend this pomade right here, 360 style. It's a light pomade. It washes out with water. That's actually true. And you use the pomade to start training your hair, start laying down the direction you want your waves to go. Another thing you're gonna have to do is wolf. So wolfing is run out your hair so you can get better waves. It gives you better connections, working on your connections, get you deeper waves, and all around makes your waves better. So you're gonna have to wolf. If you're a coarse hair waver, I know this for a fact, you're gonna have to wolf year round, Wolf 3 weeks, cut it off, 6 weeks, cut it off, 10 weeks, cut it off, 13 weeks, cut off, You gotta always constantly wolf for your coarse hair waver. Just a tip. So going into more into depth of what you need for sure is for sure a mirror. I covered it. It's in my last video. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. Gonna need soft, medium, hard. These brushes right here to get yourself going, and a pomade. You're gonna also want yourself. Oh, I lost it. Let me go get that shampoo real quick. Right here, good shampoo. My shampoo was in the shower. I just washed my hair recently. I'll come out with another video. I had to wash your hair, but you want to get a good shampoo. I got it right here. Biotin Collagen shampoo, a really good shampoo that you can get from H-E-B, Walmart. It's not that expensive, less than $10. But I got it for like $6 maybe. Not that expensive. And one of the most important things that you can have for if you're any level waver, you're a beginner or you're a veteran waver, you're on your way to elite, is a do-rag. We all know you need a do-rag. The reason why you wear a do-rag is when you got a silk, it rubs off on your hair, it gives your hair a little silky effect, and it saves your progress. So you go to sleep with no do-rag, you're gonna lose progress, and your waves it's gonna take you longer to get waves. So it's important to always have a do-rag. So that's about it. That's the basic things you need to know to get 360 waves. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want me to cover something in the future, make sure you leave it in the comment section below. Aaron 2Wavy checking out. Peace.